Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Guys, if you remember, in our last video, we unboxed Barbie You Create Basics Kit 1. And guess what? We have Kit 2 as well delivered today. Yay! So guys, in this video, we are going to unbox this Kit 2, and not just that, we are also going to rebody all our dollies from Kit 1 and Kit 2. So I'm very excited guys, so stay tuned, and before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe it to be a part of my doll family. With that, love you all. Let's get started. So this is how the doll comes guys in this box. As we know, most of our metal dolls comes in this cardboard packaging, which is super good because the inside packaging can then be robust. So let's just open it up and see. And this is how it looks. It is strapped in this paper like most of the dolls are of metal, as we all know guys. So let me just open it up. I'm very bad in opening guys. Okay. Wow, I just love it. I just love Tango, and because Tango is the first one there, it just takes my heart. So let's just open it up, unbox it and then rebody. So this is the outer box guys. Okay, from the side, similar to the box that we had for Kit 1. Okay. Now we have like this doll here and the 3 pouches with the head and accessories like we had in our Kit 1. So let's just open it up. Okay. I think this one is the heads because it feels very heavy. This one looks like to be accessories and clothes. This would be the stand, I think. Okay. Guys, it is so like badly arranged, like hair over there. Okay, so we have to be very careful while cutting because if I cut it off, I may cut doll hair as well. Okay, this is our first hair. Oh my god, how is this arranged? This is facet guys. Just look at this head. She is beautiful. The hair is beautiful. Such blonde platinum kind of hair. And I just love the face. Just look at the face. So here is a close-up of the face guys. So here we have Elle guys, and she also has this hair net on, which is really good. Just love her. Just look at her hair guys. Such beautiful hair. And the face. It is also very nice guys. So guys, now we are going to take out our diva out of the box, and it was quite difficult last time, as we know how these packagings are. They are so like there are so many tie-ups in there, and I think I didn't show you this. As I showed last time, we have here the certificate of authentication, and we have the lookbook as well, the pamphlet wherein we can see different type of looks. So I'm taking her out and then we'll check out the accessories after that. So here she is out of the box, and it was not very difficult this time to take her out, guys. Seriously speaking, I just love her. Like, Tango is my favorite in this kit, seriously. Her hair, just love it. A close up. So here is our lookbook, guys, and this is the certificate of authentication, and then we have this particular set, which we have the sunglasses, we have the extra heels in there, very cute with this Barbie, bee design, which looks so cool. We have the stand, okay, and here in this particular one we have the accessories. We have a super cute bracelet, guys, and earrings and hair clips. It is really nice. And this one is the dress, extra pair of dress it came with, which is a skirt and a top, guys. Okay. So this is the top, it's cute, and this is the skirt. It's nice, but this material I'm worried of because this is kind of Rexine, so it may tear off, guys. So now what we can do is, I am very excited to rebody them, okay, and then try on the accessories. So here are the bodies that I'm going to use for kit 2. So I already have in my mind which girly I'm going to use for which head, but I'm really worried, like, will there be any netpack drama? So let's find out, guys. I'm going to go now, remove the heads and then be back. And right now we are doing only kit 2. Kit 1 we'll be doing separately, because for kit 1 I also want to like unbox the Deluxe Tree and share with you guys, because it's just a new girly, and also I have Lux 12 totally new condition, so I just want to share with you. So let's go. I'll be back soon. Stay tuned. I'm back. So what do you think? It worked out or not? Was there any netpack drama? So luckily not. So we have the body safe with us, and I'm going to rebody the girlies now. Before I rebody, I want to show you what is the condition of this head. Like, from inside, it's not very clean. There seems to be some glue in there. Okay, so guys, we have rebodied this girly. Okay, I have used the Brooklyn body for her. But just one thing I want you to be aware of, if you are like using this MTM body, okay, so this neck peg is too big, guys, and I had to cut it off. So this top part, if you can see this much top, I had to chop it off so that it fits. First I tried like that only, but it didn't fit well. So let's try on our next head, guys. I'm so happy we have this for complete now. Like, just to let you know that it is not a total match, but still we can make it work. Like, very little minute gap is there, guys, and it's really a good deal, because for kit 2 I got the MTMs very cheaper. Like, it was around $5, some $5 US, so it's really very economic, guys. Peset head is here, and it is total like clean. Okay, so there is no such issue with this head, and I have chopped it off. Now let's try if this goes in. Oh my god. So we are done with Peset as well, guys. Now my actual plan was to put Tango in basketball MTM player, body, but we know how it goes, and I end up putting Peset into this body. The head is not very much like total match, but still we don't have much option, and being in India I don't have very much options, guys, and from few of the collectors I got to know these body types, and that's why I use them. But I think we can make it work. But just one thing I just noticed, I don't know it was there since start or I didn't pay attention at the beginning, because if you see her face, there is a little bit of black mark here and here also. Now it looks some face paint issue, because I was very careful when I was rebodying this girly, and I I don't think like pressing her face like this can mess up the face paint. But because I have already rebodied, I'll have to make it work, guys. Now really sad about that, but still I'm not very sure that I did it or it was, because I was so excited while opening up I didn't even pay attention. So we are done with the kit 2 rebodies, guys, and now we are going to rebody kit 1. And for kit 1 I have this curly here, which is the Deluxe Series 3 curly, and I have actually 2 of them, because I will either use these 2 for rebodying, or I will use, guys, this one for mermaid. But I don't want to chop off its head. I will see like how it goes. If it goes without chopping, then I'm going to use this body, as I will be using this body. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to go and remove their heads and then be back. So guys, before we do that, I'm also going to show you this beautiful doll, because it is also a Deluxe Series 3 doll, and I know many of you are excited to get her as well. So this is how she looks, and I paid full price for her because I really got her early, guys, without sale. And she is so pretty. So really, guys, I'm going to use this body, but this girl itself is a beauty, and I wanted one complete piece of her, and maybe I may get one separate when she goes on sale again. So let me just unbox her. She is so pretty, guys, I must say. So here is this beautiful girl, guys, out of the box, and she is a diva totally. I really don't have any option, that's why I'm using her body. And I'm thinking, like, I'm quite confused that I should use Lux 12 for mermaid, because you see this girl is quite tall. Even if we take this body over here, okay, so this girly here is quite tall, guys. Here are the feet. Okay, so it fits perfectly the tall kit as well. But I'm just wanted to use the Lux 12, because that has more articulation, and this has articulation but not that enough. But let's see. Guys, we are done with the rebodying of all the girlies of kit 1 and kit 2. Here they are. So if you see here, Lara is in the original body, and we have Tango in her original body. Otherwise, from kit 2, here we have Ellen Brooklyn body. Then we have Pesette in basketball body. Then we have Nichelle in the Deluxe Wave 3 body. Mermaid is there in the Lux 12 body. So here is how it looks. If you want to do rebody and you want to choose these bodies, it will give you a little bit idea of the color variations. So guys, it is not perfect, but still, considering the choice we have been given, it looks okay. And I would really wish that we can get body option for these girlies, and Mattel would do that. So that would really be very nice, guys. So finally, guys, after a lot of hard work, we are done with the rebodying. And now the final most important part is styling them up in the fashions they came with. and some of the extra fashions for the extra girlies. So let's do that. We are done with the rebodying and dress up, and here are the final results. So here is Mermaid in the Looks 12 body and her costume as well. Then we have Lara in her original body and costume from Kit 1. Then we have Nichelle from Wave 3 Deluxe body and in the dress and accessories from the kit itself. Then we have the Kit 2 girlies wherein Tango is in her original body and original accessories from Kit 2. Only the shoes are from a different dolly which I had. Then we have here Elle, which is in Brooklyn body, and the costumes and accessories are from Kit. And finally we have Pesette over here, who is in the basketball player body, and the costume is from a separate fashion pack. The shoes are from the kit itself and the hair clip as well. So what do you think about it? I just love these girls, and this kit now feels very worth it to me, as you know, I got so many dolls with diversity and it really looks cool. And last but not the least guys, what I did with Looks 12 girly head. So I had one more Deluxe 3 girly body, so I swapped the head with that, and also the Deluxe 3 head I didn't let it go waste. I used basketball player body and I rebodied her as well. So I got 2 new girls. So I have one Looks 12 already in her original body, and I wanted to give her a slim body and see how she looks, and she turned out really great. And these both really rocks. What do you think about it? Which girl is your favorite? Let me know. Do share your comments. Bye.